Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tech tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super useful for Windows 2025 users: how to put the recycle bin on your taskbar. If you're tired of hunting through folders to recover deleted files, this simple trick will save you time and clicks. Let's get started. First off, why bother? Having the recycle bin on your taskbar means instant access to manage your deleted items, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. This feature is tailored for Windows 2025, so ensure your system is updated to the latest version for the best results. Alright, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Right-click on your desktop and select Personalize from the context menu. This opens the Settings app directly to personalization options. Step 2. In the Settings window, navigate to Themes under Personalization. Look for the Related Settings section and click on Desktop Icon Settings. Step 3. In the Desktop Icon Settings dialog, make sure the recycle bin is checked. If it's not, tick the box and hit Apply, then OK to save changes. This ensures the icon appears on your desktop. Step 4. Now, right-click on the recycle bin icon on your desktop and choose Create Shortcut. This will generate a shortcut file, probably on your desktop. Step 5. Drag and drop this shortcut directly onto your taskbar. You'll see it pinned there instantly. If it doesn't work right away, try right-clicking the shortcut and selecting Pin to Taskbar from the menu. And there you have it. That's all it takes. Now, you can access the recycle bin with just one click, boosting your productivity. Remember, if you run into any issues, double-check your Windows version or restart your computer. This method is straightforward, but always back up important files before messing with system settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll reply as soon as I can. See you in the next one.